Hey guys, you're here live with MVI, and today we are going to give you a preview of the Thinkware dash cam system. One of the more advanced systems we'll be offering in our new securities product line that we've been talking about. This one will have some 4K resolution along with a lot of other features. This particular one, we're going to do a radar extender. It allows you to extend the range of movement detection and also help save the battery. All the different accessories. It's also going to have the rear camera to mount at the back, and it comes with an SD card for recording. Also an app to go on your phone. Allows you to configure the dash cam right from your phone. Also a desktop version as well. So without further ado, we will go on ahead and get this going in the vehicle, find a placement for it, start the install process, and give you a tour as we go. Alright guys, so we're back in this GMC Yukon, and you can see I've got the dash cam mounted right there, nice and neat. Wires up, tucked, ran all the way over and down. And then it will go to the rear cam, the back window. You can kind of see hanging on the back window back there, guys. Come out nice and neat. So full install the dash cam. You'll get some video footage with this file as well once I get it downloaded to the phone. This thing does turn out pretty sweet, super easy to use. I'll go ahead and start the truck, and you're gonna hear it give me some prompts.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware. GPS connected.
So just like that, guys, now we'll take off and drive, but it told us it's connected to GPS. Told us to go to your smartphone, go to your settings, and pair to the Thinkware Wi-Fi coming out of the unit. That will then allow you to pull up on your phone, which if I could show you live on the video here, I would. But that's going to allow you to pull up on the phone and go from there. So I will load the video footage, but this is one of our higher end pieces that we're now going to be offering here at MVI, part of our security products line. Hey guys, you're here live with MVI, and I'm in a 2020 Ram 1500, and we just installed another Thinkware U1000 4K 2-channel dash cam. Looks great up there on the windshield. Up, over. We did remove this panel right here, guys. 2 8mm bolts in there, and that pops down. Helps to get the wires secured and pulled in there nice. And then you can see we come over here nice along that factory harnessing down into the side where you got your power and ground. So let me try and get a good angle here. This black plug right here has got, so we need key on, which goes to this pink yellow wire, and this black plug right here. Again, everything right here on the side of the dash, quick connections. Constant power is this red right here, and then ground sits right in there on this 13 mil. Once again, I backed it out, sandwiched the blade in between the head and the washer to get a nice clean ground. That'll be taped up nice and neat. And then the rear camera, just follow the headliner, taped up in there nice all the way to the back. Okay, you can kind of see where I went in and tucked the excess. There is a roll of excess that goes in behind the airbag in there nice and neat, sandwiched. Pulled this rear C-pillar back, tucked up nice. And to the back is the second rear channel. So great little picture, guys. Again, this is about the nicest I've seen on the market. I've got another video I just did with the interface of it, but if you have any questions, we can supply you with these. Give us a call. Actually, shoot us a chat on the website. Best way to reach us.
gm-navigation.com.